Hi, and welcome to this tips and tricks video by Premium Plus. My name is Anton, and I'm here to show you the add button in Zendesk. The add button allows you to create a new ticket. It allows you also to start searching in Zendesk, and it will show you the recently displayed tickets. So what does it look like in our Zendesk instance? The add button is located in the upper left, and if you hover it, don't click it, if you hover it, it will give you the option to create a new ticket or start a search. So if I just click it, now I can start searching in Zendesk, or I can see the 5 most recently viewed tickets in Zendesk. So if you ever close a ticket by accident and you forgot to write down or remember the ticket ID, you can just hover add, select a ticket from the list, and open it straight from there. So this little add button is really helpful, and thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.